Good evening, friends and family. I'm just doing a short reading because my morning reading went out very late. Spirit wants us to know right now that temptation will test you. You must be careful to not take risks and lay solid foundations for yourself. You will get success with effort. You are going to get some news of improvements that are underway and why there are delays around it. And they want you to follow your own narrative. You must listen to your own feelings. Don't let other people coerce you into doing something you know is wrong. You've had major challenges to overcome, and the changes you've made is for the better. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. That is with love and peace and harmony. Your magical abilities are growing, and you must use them wisely. And the animal spirit says, bring a gentle touch. There is joy. You're finding joy through spiritual growth, and the your higher self wants you to be at peace at this time. Where there's dissatisfaction with life, you must please talk about your feelings to someone or a friend. Tell someone how you're feeling. It's a time now for healing. There's brightness in all areas of your life and money coming your way. And the white dove says, be the peace. That's beautiful. In February month, you must take a leap of faith and trust because there's lots of happiness coming your way. There is an increase in your wealth and spiritual growth, and love is coming your way. Have a lovely evening. Night, night. I love you all.